लास्ट सेशन में हमने लिस्ट मेथड्स एंड लिस्ट सॉर्ट का पार्ट देखा. सो नाउ वी विल मूव टू टपल. लेट मी ओपन द आइडल and I am writing here one comment as tuple. So list और tuple का डिफरेंस क्या है? What is the difference in between list and tuple? तो मैं यहाँ पे नोटपैड ओपन करूंगी. List is a mutable type of data and tuple is a immutable type of data. Okay, so mutable means we can change the data of the list. The data of the list can be modified, and immutable means we cannot modify. Once the data has been created, we cannot modify that. It's permanent, that cannot be deleted or changed. So immutable means we cannot change, and mutable means we can change that. We have done, we have deleted also, we have added also, we have sorted also, lots of things we have done with list. बट टपल में हम ये सब प्रोसेस नहीं कर सकते. ना ही हम यहाँ पे कोई एलिमेंट डिलीट कर सकते हैं, ना ही हम यहाँ पे कोई एलिमेंट ऐड कर सकते हैं, और ना ही हम टपल को यहाँ पे सॉर्ट कर सकते हैं. एक बार अगर हमने टपल क्रिएट कर दिया, देन वी कैन नॉट मॉडिफाई दैट. ओके, सो एज आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू, दिस स्मॉल ब्रैकेट्स इज यूज्ड टू डिक्लेयर द टपल, और फॉर क्रिएटिंग टपल वी यूज दिस स्मॉल ब्रैकेट्स ओनली. सो यहाँ पे टपल क्रिएट करते हैं. T is equals to small brackets. So this is a blank tuple. I am write here one comment for understanding purpose. Blank tuple. Okay. So let's print this T here. C blank and type of T is tuple. Okay. You can see it is giving me that the class name is tuple here. Okay, so let me store the data inside this tuple. T is equals to 100, 90, 80, 70, 45, 10, 20.5, then Divya, true, 34 plus 5j. So this tuple is a combination of all data types like int, float, string, boolean and complex number. Okay, let's print this T here. C. So tuple can also store the heterogeneous data. Same thing we have done in list. That thing I just repeat here, tuple slicing. Okay, so if I write here T of colon, that will give you whole data which is stored inside this tuple T. Then if I write here T of 3, that will give you third data. Okay, T of 6 colon 9, that will give you the data which is stored at the 6th position to the 8th position. Okay, this 9 is excluded. Okay, so just count from 0, then first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. So this 20.5 is at the 6th position, then this is 7 and this is 8, and the data of 9th position is excluded here. This data is not included. Okay, so if I write here if I write here minus value, so it's give me true. So just count backside from -1. So this is -1 and this is -2. That's why it's give me true here. Okay, and see, exact same thing, no change at all, in same way. Just remember, in case of slicing you have to use these square brackets. It's not like it's tuple and you have to write small brackets. No, हम स्मॉल ब्रैकेट सिर्फ टपल क्रिएट करने के लिए ही यूज करते, बट केसेस के लिए, स्लाइसिंग के लिए हम स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट्स ही यूज करते. डेटा कैन बी ऑफ एनी टाइप, लिस्ट और टपल, but in case of slicing you have to use square brackets only. Okay, now there are only two methods that are associated with tuple. First is a count method. So if I write here T dot count, I want to count 1, so it will give me 1. Why it is 1? This 1 is associated with this true here. This 1 is used to declare this true here. Okay, so if I want to count my name. Okay, see, it's give me 1. Okay, so there is only one Divya, that's why it's give me 1. Okay, so first method is count that we can use here, and second method is index. If I write here t dot index, so it will give the index of your data. I want to know what is the index of this 20.5 here. Okay, so just write here 20.5. So it will give you the index of this 20.5 here. So it is give me 6. So there are only two methods that are associated with tuple, because all the rest methods which we are studied in list, that all methods related to modification of list, but these two methods are not for modification. This is just give me data, giving me value. This is not modifying tuple. All other method cannot possible to use in tuple because tuple cannot be modified. So see, t dot count of 0, it will give you 0 because in this list there is no any false or no any 0, that's why it's give you 0. Okay, so that is all about tuple. Like we can use tuple in the case where we don't want to user to change the password. Suppose we have created the password inside the tuple, means we have stored the password in the tuple and we don't want user to set the password. So we can do that. आपको कोई डेटा मॉडिफाई नहीं करना है तो आप उस केस में टपल का यूज कर सकते हो. तो यहाँ पे हमारा टपल का पार्ट कवर हुआ. तो आपको कोई डाउट्स है तो राइट योर डाउट्स इन कमेंट बॉक्स or you can ask me on the telegram group. The link is in the description. So meet you in next video. Guys, goodbye and enjoy learning.